This is my 4-meter mast. I'm planning on getting a 6-meter. And I was sitting right there with my big umbrella. I had to tie this over this branch. So this is my MFJ 9200 and my antenna tuner, but the best is the view. Hola, hola mi gente, this is KQ3Q. I'm at Biscayne National Park and that is park number US 0007. I'll be using my usual MFJ 9200, have my ZM2 antenna tuner, my gargoyle speaker that I keep saying I'm going to upgrade but I haven't, my Bioino power. This is a 12V, 12 volts, 3AH. So I've been using this since I went to vacation. Anyway, this time I'll be only using my paddles. Last time I used my bug, side swiper, and straight key. So I'm hoping to activate quick enough so I can do other stuff that I need to do. But anyway, you're not here for those stuff. You're here to hopefully practice some code. And for those of you who are new, please listen to code every day. Practice. Also practice sending. I encourage you to join perhaps the club that I joined, which is Long Island CW Club. I encourage you to join some supportive CW club that you will not only get the support but meet other people who has a similar interest. All right, I'm going to call QRL, but I need to find a clear frequency.